Oh, okay. SpongeBob. This is a very serious video about SpongeBob. Well, I think he's Asian. Because he can't drive worth no fuck. And he's yellow. And, yeah. Fuck, he's Asian. And yeah, just he's him, and SpongeBob is amazing because yeah, he's just all funny and junk, and then he laughs like a sheep, like I can't do the laugh, but yeah. I has torn up pin. Ignore my face. Oh! SpongeBob was my boyfriend, but he cheated on me with Sandy. And then he cheated on me with Patricia. And I'm just like, oh hell no! Fuck that! So... yeah.
My neck looks funny like this.
Yeah. Piggy! Bye-bye.